Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Sarah and I'm back with another video. And if you guys don't know who I am the CEO of Raw Divine. I actually make homemade products, shea butter, and sugar scrubs. So if you are interested, please hit this post notification bell so you can get updates on when I decide to drop a video. Y'all can see I'm trying to light this sage to get rid of any negative energy, unwanted energies in this home, because you definitely need to be cleansed. But we are gonna get into a video based upon the new product that I just dropped yesterday, and it is a Noir, called Noir Pink Himalayan Sea. And what that product does, it's a pink Himalayan sea salt sugar scrub, salt scrub, excuse me. I don't know why I keep trying to mix them up, but it is a salt scrub. In fact, it helps with a lot of benefits of the skin and the body. You guys see, I'm trying to light this little bit of stage that I have left going on. Because we need to clear this energy, honey. We need to clear this. You guys see my clear face? You guys see my... Do you see the results that my product be giving? I promise you guys, I'm not using nothing else. This is from my product and my product only. I don't use nothing else but my product on my skin that I make homemade. So, this is the glow that you guys gonna get. Come mess with your girl. Simple. Come mess with me. I got some good stuff for you. You know, I'm never gonna steer you in the wrong direction. We got this. This is the pink Himalayan sea salt. Noir. Pink Himalayan sea. You're gonna be crossing oceans and mountains with this product. I'm telling you, you're gonna be like, Revlon who? Nivea who? Youre who? Oh, we gonna be saying Raw Divine, okay? Raw Divine. Simple. Raw Divine. That's all it's gonna be. Raw Divine. Every product that I'm gonna have is gonna say Raw Divine. Raw Divine. Yeah, I got this from Raw Divine. Yeah. Raw Divine. Cool. Y'all, I'm over this shit right here. But I really just wanted to give a little introduction on the video. And one last thing I gotta say. I got one thing to say. Fuck fear. Okay, y'all worry about something. Y'all fearful of something. Y'all can't get your mind right of what you want to do in life. I'm trying to tell you, stop letting fear put limits on what you want. Your expectations. Stop letting people get in your head and in your mind about what you can and cannot do, because as soon as you let that happen, guess what? You automatically gonna fail. So y'all gotta get back up and just fuck it. Don't give a fuck about what anybody else thinks about you. Go out here and get it. There's always going to be somebody watching, listening, doing they do. Let them. Maybe they'll learn something from you. Maybe they will learn, since they want to be so nosy. Maybe they'll learn a lesson. You never know. Guys, we are in a peaceful state and a peaceful mind matter right now. I'm trying to tell you, just relax your mind. Don't think about it. Deep breath in, blow it out. Life is good, life is great. Thank you, Lord. Just gotta thank the universe, your angels. Yeah, so We got the notes in here. We got the notes. We got the notes in here. We got the notes. We got the notes in here. We got the notes. Okay, y'all, listen, I'm sorry about that, but let me be serious about this now. Okay, we're gonna get into this product that I made, and now I did say it was a salt scrub. It is called Noir Pink Himalayan Sea. And with this product, it is an antioxidant. It is high in omega-3 fatty acids. It helps fight aging, soothes the skin. Your pH balance with the skin. It helps even that out, level it out, or whatever. It helps with scarring, tissue, damaged tissue, red inflammation. It also has antiseptic properties, so it rids dirt and bacteria, and also boosts collagen production and promotes glowing skin. It is also a powerful detoxifier packed with healing minerals. Look, I'm trying to tell you, this is a really good product. I use this product on my skin today. And if you see these results, come on, get with it. I'm telling you, we about to be knocking all these products off the shelf like, out of here. Raw Divine coming through. But also, if you have tired or achy muscles, you can use this. I'm telling you, you might want to get a big jar. If you want to be able to use this as kind of like an Epsom salt, you can use this as an Epsom salt because it has properties that help your body relax achy muscles, tense muscles, or even cold and flus. Like, you know how you get achy when you get a cold and flu. I'm telling you, put this in the bath water. Put, like, I would say couple scoops of this in the bath water. Just soak in it, relax. You know, I'm not telling you guys what's in this product. I'm just gonna let you know the benefits of the product so you can get kind of like an idea of, you know, maybe what's in it. I'm not telling you.
Stay informed this
my idea. This is my ingredients. I
on
want you to see the benefits.
Alexa, pause.
I want you to see the benefits that this product gives you. So I'm not gonna tell anybody the ingredients of this product. So it also helps with environmental related issues. Also disinfects bacteria, which helps reduce breakouts. Okay. Especially blackheads. Restores, replenish, and reveals more youthful, glowing skin. Helps with dry skin, damaged skin, acne, rosacea, psoriasis, whatever you need. Whatever you got, any inflammation going on, if you got any rashes or patches or bumps, whatever you got going on, this product will actually help you. And while I'm talking, I should be showing you the product. See, I'm messing up already. See, I did this design myself. I painted this. I put some recyclable paper in it on the outside. You see how beautiful that is? It's got some gold. I painted it. This is hemp rope. This is all natural hemp rope. So like I said, this is an organic product. This is an all natural product. The paint is not even toxic for your skin, whatever, or your body. So this is not going to affect you in any type of way. This is just a cute design. Boop de boop, whatever you got going on. That's the hemp rope that I put on the outside. And then we just gonna get into the product. Now I will tell you what's on top of it, because a lot of you probably think that is pepper. That is not pepper. That is chai seeds. Look up the benefits of chai seeds. That's the only thing I will tell you that's in this product. Chai seeds and vitamin E, that's it. That's all I'm telling you. Everything else, you gotta guess on your own. It smells really good. Just use the product. It has a breeze. Kind of has like a minty cool breeze / watery, oceany, salty smell. Like, it's amazing. Do you see? I'm not even joking, you guys. I swear on everything I love. I use this product on my face yesterday and today. And I'm telling you, just amazing results. Amazing results. You can, oh, so yeah. So that's pretty much it. It's got a lot of moisture. You could use it for moisturizing. You could use it to get rid of the dead skin. You could use it to balance out that pH balance in your skin. You could use it as an Epsom salt. You could use it for acne, anti-aging, psoriasis, rosacea. You can use it to restore and replenish and revitalize that skin cells on your face, body, whatever you decide to put it on. Or also helps with achy muscles. So like I said, give this product a try. And if you want the 4-ounce Noir pink Himalayan, see, then that is $6.50. If you want the 8-ounce, it will be $11. But like I'm gonna say, you can find me at www.rawdivine.org. You can follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/_raw_divine_LLC and or Facebook at Raw Divine LLC. Now give your girl a holler, give me some reviews, come check out my website, come check out my product, subscribe to this channel, hit the post notification so you can get these notifications sent to you right away when I upload. Like I said, stay tuned with me. I'm gonna be getting into all different types of things, like chapsticks. Like I said, I'm not even started it yet, but I'm working out like a plan. So you guys sit tight, stay tuned. I'm gonna be uploading videos every product I make, so boom, check me out, hit me up. If you like anything you like, buy it. You know, it is what it is. Do your thing, do it up. So just want to say thank you for giving me the time and subscribing to my channel. All right, love you guys. Bye.